Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I am super excited because I'm going to be pulling a prank on my boyfriend Darian. I've done a couple of other pranks on him and you guys seem to really like them, so I'm super excited for today. However, it is April Fool's Day today. It is April 1st. This prank is literally perfect for right now. Not only did he just get a new car, but we also just yesterday filmed a shop with me vlog. It was actually my last video, so I'm filming this a day after that video was filmed, and I'm just gonna basically say to him like, hey, I want to do like another vlog style video with you. So he definitely won't suspect anything of me recording, like that's totally covered. I have to figure out a way to make the poster big enough so that other drivers can read it and like, you know, acknowledge it without it being too big to the point where he sees it in his backup camera or his rearview mirror. I have to be careful of his camera because the second he goes in reverse, if it's covering his camera, he's obviously gonna know something's up and he's gonna go back there and check it, and the whole prank is gonna be blown. It's currently 5:30. He gets off around like 6:30ish, and his job is like 20 minutes away, so we'll definitely have enough time to get all the supplies from the dollar store and stuff. Okay, I feel like that's the best one. The bottom one. And I thought of a plan. I'm gonna have like a bag of trash and be like, hold on, let me just take my trash out, and he'll probably be inside talking to someone at that point. So I'll just run out, pretend to throw the thing out, and then stick this on his car really quick. I'm gonna have a piece of tape already on it, ready to just, you know, stick to the back. Okay, we have the sign. It's definitely big enough to read for the other people on the road. The plan is all set up. Now, next footage, you will actually see me in the car with him vlogging. All right, ready? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we're going to be doing another vlog style video similar to my last. So if you guys want to see that video, I will leave it linked down below. But so I'm going to save you guys the time. I basically just made up a whole fake intro about the shopping day that we're going to have. So let's just cut to the footage. You have a, oh, hopefully this doesn't fall.
What's this knucklehead doing in the car? He's like,
she was thanking you for letting you go. So we're going to,
actually, yeah, go this way.
Oh my god, Darian, what is with your driving today? You're gonna get like...
Just relax.
Flipped off by somebody. So we're going to a really nice restaurant that we love going to. It's one of our favorites, and we haven't gone there in a while, so I'm really excited. It's about like 20 minutes away.
Are you showing the back?
Huh?
Showing the back.
Show how spacious it is. Okay, we're gonna need to take this off.
Wait, whoa.
I'll put it back, but for filming, it's like swinging in our faces.
Over here.
What?
Burn that lane.
Darian, stop!
Oh, they beep at me.
You're the one that cut them off.
I didn't cut them off. They were behind me. What are you talking about?
You know, you said you're in the fast lane. Well, go fast. Clearly, you're not going fast.
I am going fast, but these go on my pole. So, I mean,
Darian, we're vlogging. We need a PG.
How fast do you want me to go? 100?
We were in the fast lane and we passed. We went over to the other lane and they passed us, and like we're beeping and went. And there were like 3 other kids in the car laughing. I'm on edge whenever you drive. I don't know. I feel like you drive a little crazy.
Nah. I just get there.
Get there.
Yeah. Sure. Always looking back.
Because, like,
I see in the mirror. I have mirrors.
I know. I hate when you switch lanes because you don't use your blinker. I have, like, a little bit of PTSD from when I got hit that I, like, am just so cautious of people behind and in front of me. And like, I don't know, when you switch lanes, you scare me. So this next part, we actually arrived at the restaurant. It was like a 20 to 25 minute drive away, and it was on the highway as well. Only one person beeped the whole entire time. So when we arrived, I knew I couldn't let him park because when we got out, he would see the sign. And also, if we would have went in and ate, it would have been dark by the time we came out, so people wouldn't be able to read the sign anymore. So I convinced him that I wanted to go shopping first a little bit so we could drive around a little bit more and hopefully other people could see the sign and possibly beep. The Christmas tree shops! We have to. The Christmas tree shops, babe, we have to. I'm not hungry yet.
So you're gonna be driving here for nothing?
No, I want to go to the Christmas tree shops. I'm gonna go make reservations, and then we're gonna go to an Ulta and stuff, like it's in like a shopping area. I'm just gonna put my name on the list, and then I'll be right out. So just stay right here.
She said as we were going to the place, you know, it's always, you know, we'll go here, but then, oh, it's right next door. We'll go right there. Story of my life. So, it's okay though. I love shopping with her. It's okay. What? People be mad for no reason. Fucking beeping. You that hungry? Alright, she's coming. Fucking that girl beeped at me. You have mad room. Right there, we're going by truck. Fucking that hungry?
Did you have your hazards on?
Yeah.
Oh, you did? Oh, I don't know. Not as many people are beeping at him as I thought. Like, I thought everyone would beep, and like nobody is. These are so cute. So I found a really cute pair of shoes that I'm actually gonna get. So Darian's currently in the line for checkout right now. We'll see if we can get any more reactions. I'm having him back into parking spots so that he doesn't see it when we're walking to the store. We can move closer to Miller's that way.
What happened?
I think they're just beeping at.
What'd they say? What happened?
I don't know, beeping at us.
They beeped.
Oh, nice. I got these super cute white boots. I had one similar before, but they were way too small. And these are like a pointed toe. Super cute. We just finished up eating at Miller's. The meal was delicious.
Could it be like my bag or something? There's gotta be something in the back seat. Because I've never heard that.
You've never heard it? It's like a ghost town out right now. Ain't nobody out. Like, look at the roads right now. Like, why is there like nobody out right now? Like, I kid you not. Look, the roads are empty for miles. Like, why are there no cars on the road?
I don't know.
You know it's April Fool's Day today, right?
Yeah.
You know that?
Yeah.
Okay. We are on our way to go get some Sofun. Okay, so Sofun is right here, and he's backing in. You're backing in? He's backing in, you guys.
I'm here. Are you going out to get it or not?
So after this footage, I just stopped filming. We ended up getting dessert at Sofun, and when we parked, he ended up seeing the sign. So that really like concludes this video. Not sure if this was like a fail or not. Only a couple people beeped at him. He obviously believed it, like he didn't think I was pranking him or anything, so that part wasn't a fail. But like then again, we didn't get many reactions, so I'm not sure what you want to, you know, deem this video. I just thought it was gonna go a lot different than it actually did. Like, I thought so many people would beep, especially because like we were going on the highways and stuff, like main roads, and it was just so empty. Like, no cars were around. I don't know if it was because it was April Fool's, like everyone was staying home or whatever, but like people be boring. But yeah, that was it for this video. If you guys liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and also comment down below if you want to see more type of prank videos like this, because I'm definitely down for them. Subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to turn on all my post notifications so you get a notification in your Dropbox every time I upload a video. But yeah, that was it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all so much, and bye guys.